we prepared before we had the benefit of seeing Ms. Hurd's affirmative motion to strike, but I think we've anticipated the arguments made, such as they are. The court should deny defendant Amber Heard's motion to strike because Mr. Depp has come forward in his case in chief with multiple credible witnesses, documents, and authentic tape recordings of Ms. Heard herself, not only satisfying all of the requisite elements of his claim for defamation, including actual malice, but also going the extra mile of showing that Ms. Heard physically abused him. She's the abuser in this courtroom. Your Honor, going back to the standard, as Your Honor is well aware, in considering a motion to strike, the trial court must view the evidence and all reasonable inferences drawn from the evidence in the light most favorable to the plaintiff. Any reasonable doubt as to whether the plaintiff has produced sufficient evidence of the wrong alleged must be resolved in the plaintiff's favor and the motion to strike denied, unquote. And that's the Boeing case, I believe Mr. Rottenborn referred to, 243 Virginia 81 at 81, 1992. Quote, the weight and credibility of the testimony of witnesses are solely matters for the jury. The jury may accept that part of the testimony it believes and reject that which it does not. It is also within the exclusive province of the jury to draw any reasonable inferences from the evidence before it, citing Rate versus Minix, 275 Virginia 579 at 585.
Tweeting a link doesn't constitute republication. Now, that case dealt
Well, it does if you add something to it, but I just don't know the evidence.
Your Honor, very quickly, it's a judicial admission. They admitted in Ms. Heard's answer, she admitted to the tweet. So that establishes that she adopted the op-ed in its entirety, and it was discussed. We talked about judicial admissions. One was the op-ed itself. The second, and this is reflected
Your
in the
Honor, if I could
transcript.
finish my argument, I mean,
I
would appreciate.
I can't wait to oppose this anyway.
That's fine. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So,
sir.
and again, we can look at the transcript.
You understand my concern.
I do
though.
understand your concern, and I guess what I'm saying is that there's two levels. One is there's no dispute, and there's not going to be a dispute that she did not write the headline.